What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And on this episode, I'm trying not to bang my head, but we are going to be, well, we're not going to be doing anything, but you're going to be watching a video on how I fixed my 944. So if you go back to my other video a few months ago, probably middle of summer, say, yeah, it wasn't running right. It wouldn't go over 3,000 RPMs basically. And that I was still able to drive it, had no performance to it, but I was still able to drive it. Then one day I was coming home from Jersey from my buddy's shop, and then the car was like, no, I'm not. Oh, no, I'm sorry. The car was fine after that. I was like, whoa, it cured itself. How about that? Never seen that before. Well, the way this was acting up, because I replaced some stuff and, well, didn't replace it, but swapped it with good stuff, and it still had the same symptoms. So then the next day, I'm like, oh, getting in the car, I'm all excited, thinking it's going to be fine. Then some bitch wouldn't go over 2,000 RPMs. Couldn't do anything. I couldn't even drive it. It was so horrible. Well, then I got aggravated and was looking around, and then follow the video, and you will see what I did to fix it. It was right there in front of me the whole time. Didn't have to buy nothing. But I'll see you guys at the end. Alright guys, so this is my 84 944. I posted earlier why my car wouldn't go past 3,000 RPMs. Well, then one day, it started to run fine again. And then all of a sudden, the next day, it got worse. It wouldn't go over 2,200 RPMs. So I'm like, what is going on here? Couldn't figure it out. I swapped out every electrical part, from fuel pump to airflow meter to computer to dampeners and regulator. Fuel pressure regulators. I blew out the lines and all that stuff. But check this out. Look at that go. Look at it go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's going. It's cruising. And I love it. It's back. It's back, baby. It's back. And you won't believe what it was. Here, I'll show you. Alright, so this is what the car does. Start it up. Runs and idles perfect. Give it gas. Starts breaking up. Ease the gas real gently. And just that's what it does. So let me go under the hood so you can see what the RPMs look like. They're basically going to read the same. Yeah. Slow. That's fast. Fast throttle. And that's my issue. That's that idle. Gently give it gas. Here we go. That's what I get. It's probably hitting about 2,000 RPMs now. Last week, the car ran flawless for the first time since the summertime. And then the next day, it got worse. So it was running at 3,000 RPM at max. And then one day I drove it, it was normal. And I come out the next day to drive it again, hoping it'll be normal, and now I can't go past 2,000 RPM. So, swap the computer out now. That didn't do anything, same symptoms. So, I don't know, maybe this. I allegedly swapped it out with a rebuilt one that worked, but apparently it don't work. Alright, you ready for this one, Will? I was just going around checking everything, and I pulled up on these wires here. This is all I did. Voila. You don't have any idea what these wires are for, do you? Freaking crazy. It's just great being able to cruise in the 944 again. I do have a couple 911s and stuff, but there's nothing like the 944. 3,000 RPMs now. I'm in love with my car again. And all I did was pulled on those wires right there. I mean, it's gonna work until it won't, and when it won't, I'll just pull on the wires again. So, I mean, you can see they're not cut open or cracked or nothing. I disconnected them, I connected them back up, there's no corrosion. I scraped them a little bit with my pick and everything else, and I love it, guys, I love it. So, if you're banging your head and trying to figure out why your car won't go past 2,000 or 3,000 RPMs, give those wires a tug. Tug it like it owes you money or something, I don't know. But, I tugged on mine, and mine paid me back by giving me smiles again. So tug away. But yeah, so stay tuned for more 944 videos. I do have that build coming up soon, and I'll see you guys on the next video. It was just a midweek surprise because it surprised me. Love it. Here we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Gotta love the 944, guys. Gotta love the 944. The only thing I know is my shift light ain't working now. It's not telling me when to save gas. But I'm loving these higher RPMs. So, alright guys, so that's gonna end it on this video, and my speedometer's off, so by like 10 miles an hour. Well, guys, what'd you think of that? That was pretty interesting, wasn't it? So, yeah, I don't know. So it hasn't acted up, but if it acts up, I'm gonna yank on it again. That's all you gotta do. Just give it a little tug. Just beat on like it owes you money or something. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.